We'll guide you through how to add an anchor in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because adding anchor points is essential for editing vector shapes in Figma. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. Open the Figma file where you want to add an anchor point to a vector shape. Click the drop-down icon on the Shape tools to display the available shape options. From the list of shapes, choose the shape you want to use, for example, rectangle. Move your cursor to the canvas and click and drag to draw the rectangle shape that will be used for the demonstration. Double-click the rectangle to enter vector editing mode. In this mode, the vector paths and nodes of the shape become editable. Next, hover the cursor over the path line on the right side of the rectangle. Click on the path line to add the anchor point. After clicking, a new anchor point will appear on the right side of the rectangle. Now move the cursor to the opposite side of the shape and hover over the path line on the left side of the rectangle. Click on the path line again to add another anchor point. After performing these actions, a new anchor point or node will be added to the vector path on both sides of the rectangle. These nodes allow you to reshape the object by modifying the vector structure. Next, select the two anchor points or nodes that were just added so they can be edited together. Once both nodes are selected, drag the anchor points while holding the Alt key. Drag the nodes outward to adjust the form until the shape begins to resemble a hexagon. After creating the basic hexagon form, refine the shape further. Select the two top anchor points and the two bottom anchor points while holding the Shift key so that all four nodes are selected at the same time. Drag the selected anchor points slightly to refine and adjust the shape as needed until the proportions look balanced. Once the vector shape is complete, double-click on the canvas to exit the editing focus. Then move to the Properties panel on the right side and locate the Fill section. Change the hexagon color according to your design preference, so the shape visually matches the style of your project.